hot day. I'm gonna be roasting in the sun, but about to try to get some of this mess taken care of. This right here is actually the brace behind it. So normally what I would do, I've got a big patch panel over here. Normally what I would do is I would cut this out and then I'd put this behind that and then trace it on the back with a scribe. And then I'd take that piece, bring it over here, grind, trim, whatever, till I got it to fit. Well, there's not enough of this piece left to cut, so I'm having to cut that piece, and I'm gonna fit it up here, which is kind of a good thing because then I can just cut it straight across, like on that patch panel, through the patch panel and the normal panel with the cutoff wheel, and then it should just fit and it'll be a little bit closer. But see if we can get anything done. Alright, so now all I'm going to do is fit this over this and kind of get an idea of where it's at. About right in there, so that's not bad. Obviously it's going to fit up better when I don't have the excess material in the way, but ooh, definitely got enough to cover up the terrible part of it, and then I can patch up just welding it, so we'll get on it. Go ahead and take this off, remove some of the paint, and then from both sides and from up here, and then get the welder set up. Yeah, a little bit of grinding, a little bit of see how there's a little bit of gap between the panel and this? That's perfect. That's going to allow me to fill it. So I just got to do a little trimming here, knock this over. Little trim down there, and I think we're good to weld it in. Okay, so I think it's gonna be fine. Got a little wider than I would have liked to have got it right here, but it'll be all right. Welded up, it took a little bit just because I had to wait on all the heat to dissipate. I didn't want to warp this bad. You always have a little bit of something happen, but you want to mitigate that as much as possible and keep that from happening. But I think we did pretty good. There's a little spot maybe right here, but we'll take care of that later, and it's in there good. So we're gonna start grinding all the tops off these welds and getting it ready. Okay, so we got a couple of holes that we gotta fill up or touch up here and there, and I'm gonna try to tack those up. Might have to get a spoon or something behind it, but sorry, might have to get a spoon or something behind it, but we're gonna get that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna touch those up and call it a day. This is what was up here before. There was nothing down there, so got all that done. All right, now that I'm back out here, we got dent pulled, patch panel done, filled a hole there. I think I'm gonna cut that out, patch it back up the correct way, and then that patch panel has been ordered, so got a lot done today. Beauty rings on 3 of my wheels. My papa's friend stopped by and he had some used ones that a guy gave him. He had no use for them, so those are, got one here, one there, and one on the driver's side back. So we're gonna try to maybe go ahead and cut out that one spot, and then on the other side, let me get over here. Gotta fix that. It's good up here, and that part's solid, so then we'll get to the cab. A few dents, and then order a new tailgate.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up.